Hello everyone. In this video we will take a look at how to create a pie chart in Excel. So here I already have some data. I have the test grades of students. So based on this data I'll make a pie chart. So to do that you first need to select the data for which the chart needs to be made. Then you go to insert, and then if you go here, from here you can choose a variety of pie charts. You can choose 2D, 3D, donut. Basically there are various types of pie charts. So for this example I choose this one, a 3D pie. So the moment I select that option I get a pie chart, but here it does not show the data labels, so we need to add the data labels to the pie chart. The easiest way to do that is to go to the plus option and then select the data labels, so it shows the data. Another way of doing that is just right click on the pie chart, go to add data labels and say add data labels. So that adds the label to the pie chart, but in this case it's showing the numbers for each of the pieces. Ideally we should be showing percentages for each of those pies. So how do we do that? So to do that you can select on the pie chart, say right click, you select format data labels, and you see there are various options here. Value is already selected. I'll choose percentage and I'll disable value. So now you see we see percentages in the pie chart. Now this looks better and this is more meaningful when you're presenting it to somebody. Okay, so when you come there, coming to that same menu, if you go down below, you can set the label position. I mean, there's not just one option, there are multiple options. You can choose it in the center, you can choose the data labels to be in the center. You can send it, choose it to be inside end, outside end, or best fit. So you can choose accordingly. In this case I'll keep it at inside end. Another feature is just select on the pie chart and you see this series here. So basically I'll be showing you the angle of first slice. I'll talk about the angle of first slice feature. So when Excel gives you that pie chart, it starts with an initial position of the pie chart. Now you can change that. I'll come to the screen again. To come to that screen again, just select on the pie chart and you see the series option. Now angle of first slice, if I increase it, you see the pie chart starts rotating. So basically you can decide what initial position you want for the pie chart. So say I prefer this view, so I leave it at 74%. So you can do that. So other thing that we can do is once we click on the pie chart, and when you come to the format data series, you have something called pie explosion. So I'll just show you. You just increase the numbers and see, suddenly you have each of the sections, they come out. So assuming if you want to do something like that, you could do it. Or maybe say you want to highlight, you want to bring out just one section from the entire pie chart, so even you could do that. So say this, or okay, this percent, 12%, so I want only that to be prominent, so I can, sorry, I didn't do it properly. Only 12% is selected now. So see, I can select only that to show one of the sections as a prominent one. So now if you have this question, how do I change the color of these individual sections, the individual parts? So that is also easy. Say assuming for this 8%, right, this one, if you want to change the color, just select that, go to format and shape fill. So you go to shape fill and choose a color of your choice. You can see it changes the color. So I'll choose a dark gray one, or a dark gray one is already there, so maybe I'll okay, I'll put this color, whatever color is that. So this is the way you can change the color for one of the parts. Similarly, you can change the color for the labels also. So select the labels, and here the text file, you go, and now you can change the color for the text for the data labels. You can set it to red, you can set it to white. I think I'll set it to white. Yeah, so okay, sorry. Okay, yeah, this one. The data labels now look white. So this is how you change the color for the data labels. That's all in this video. I hope you found it useful. Thanks for watching the video.